In this video, you're going to learn how to use the new filter button groups in Wireshark 3.4. I love filtering in Wireshark. My goal is to look only at the packets that will help me catch the culprit versus all of the billions in the packet capture. A new feature announced 2 weeks ago at SharkFest makes this much easier. Here I am in Wireshark version 3.2.7. Notice that there's so many filter buttons that I have a double chevron at the end of the toolbar, indicating that there's actually even more. In fact, I used to create an empty filter and give it an asterisk as the label just to separate the filters into logical groups. Well, no more. As of Wireshark 3.4, we can use filter button groups, or FBGs for short. I'm going to switch to Wireshark 3.4 now, with the same profile and filters. Notice how much more space I have to put in a filter. Sometimes my syntax isn't always quite right, so it's nice to be able to see what's making it red. For example, in this one, hey, there it is, an extra double quote. How did the filter input box get so big? And what happened to the double chevron? Well, that's where the FBGs come in. See how some of the filter buttons have a downward pointing caret? Those are the FBGs. You can even nest them, which is what I've done here. Let me show you how I did that. We'll go to Preferences and Filter Buttons so we can see all the buttons at once. To group, the key is to double slash. It's what you put after the group name to tell Wireshark to put them all together. I have a number of filters that relate to the TCP handshake. To group them, I put a new button label, logically enough, handshake, and the double slash in front of each of the old button labels. Now they will all be in a menu list under the handshake group. If I want it to nest, I just put an additional group name after the handshake label. Here I have unexpected handshake options, which are things I never want to see from a server, with a double slash after the handshake label. This gives me a way to tell what is different about those two filters from the rest of the handshake filters. Let's make a new one. These two IP filters and this last one in the list all have to do with filtering by address. I'm going to insert by address / in front of the old button names. I don't even have to worry about moving that last filter up to all of the others. Wireshark goes by the FBG name. Although within the FBG, it does go by position, in case you want them in any particular order. I'll click OK. And look, now all three are together. Much better. I hope this gives you some ideas on how you can group filters together to save precious screen real estate in Wireshark so you can analyze your PCAPs faster. In this video, I wanted to show you how filter button groups work. If you'd like to use the filters in my profile, I'll put a link to it in the description below. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing. Until next time, I'm DuBois, and I want to help you get packets. Thanks for watching.